ARINC Enterprise Hub is a multi-user web-based service that gives you full control of your messaging environment with a service wrap that delivers dynamic, on-demand functionality. Supporting both human and system-generated messaging, ARINC eHub is designed to ensure direct and easy replacement of older messaging gateways, giving you access to new technologies. Getting started. Being a web-based service, ARINC eHub requires no software download or setup on local machines. Simply connect to the portal and log in with your assigned username and password. There is also a link on this page to reset your password if it has been forgotten. Main page. This is the screen you will use most often. It should seem fairly familiar, following the recognized style of any email program with folders on the left and message panel on the right. Before we look at the individual message folders, we will take a look at the buttons at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Options. Use this section to personalize the appearance, functionality, and features of your eHub account. In the left navigation column, you can see settings for messaging, layout, account, auto archive, and change password. If you want to return to your messages, click the Messages button at the bottom of the left navigation column. Don't forget to save any changes before you return to your messages. Messaging. In the main section of the screen, you can edit the email signature, out-of-office response, and set the deleted items to be emptied each time you sign out. Here we see a demonstration of how easy it is to set a personalized email signature and setting eHub up to empty the deleted items folder when the user signs out. For all these features, use the familiar icons to set and control the message parameters and appearance as you would do in your traditional messaging environment. And as you can see, these are all quick and simple to edit. Just remember to save the changes before you close the screen or move to another option. Layout. Here we can set the number of messages to be shown in the Messages screen at any one time. Choose from the drop-down list. The default is set to 20. We can select a preferred operating language and can personalize the appearance of your eHub by selecting a skin for the software from our defined set of choices. The skins will change instantly, but again remember to select Save before closing the option panel. Account. This handles a user's email account details. Depending on the corporate policies, users can manually configure their accounts, all fields are editable, or choose from one or more available accounts. They only have to insert credentials. If custom accounts are permitted, users can use any account that allows incoming POP3 or outgoing SMTP connections over the Internet. Auto Archive. To facilitate your daily operations, we can set eHub to archive all messages, optimizing your workspace. Using the drop-down menus, we can set this automatic archive to occur at a time to best suit you and your operation. Don't forget to save any changes before leaving this screen. Change password. Finally, to ensure complete security, you can manually change your password on a regular basis. Just enter your old password, new password, and confirm the new password again to ensure your eHub account stays as secure as ARINC designed it. Log out. To ensure your eHub account remains secure, please use the logout function at the end of your session, especially if you are using a shared terminal. You can end your session at any time by clicking Log Out, and you will be returned to the login page. Help. This is your first port of call for assistance with eHub. Clicking Help will open the online help tool in a new browser window to help you navigate eHub. However, if you can't find your answer here, you can contact ARINC's eHub Help Desk. Left navigation column. Now we switch our focus to the main section of eHub: Messages, Calendar, Contacts, and Notes. These tabs appear at the bottom of the left-hand navigation column and are predefined by your in-house eHub system administrator. Taking each in turn, let's start with Messages. Listed in the left-hand navigation column are your folders. We will look at these later. In the main screen window, you will see a set of common icons to help you manage your messages. If any icons are not easily recognized, a rollover title becomes visible if you pause over the icon. This familiar layout is continued throughout and becomes more noticeable when you select from the new drop-down window. eHub can handle all industry standard messages, as you see from this list. When selecting Email, you will see a very familiar layout with common tools across the top, defined fields to be added, and the main body of the text below. There are a range of other message types, including CPM, MVT, or LDM, that can be selected, with each one presenting a form which the user completes by filling in each field, therefore simplifying the message creation process, reducing errors, as well as requiring less training. Folders. A series of folders similar to any mail program. Simply click the relevant icon to view the contents. The message listing in the main window will reflect the contents of the highlighted folder. As you can see, the most common folders are already the default selection, but these can be added to by right-clicking on the main folder at the top of the list and selecting New Folder. This same submenu can be opened when clicking on any of the folders shown here to archive your messages and to tailor your inbox to suit your needs. Once the folders you need are added, you can begin to manage your messages, moving them as required. To move messages, simply select the message to move by clicking the check box, highlighting the row, and dragging from the main list and dropping over the destination folder. Calendar. Anyone who has used a proprietary mail client's calendar will be familiar with this screen, showing both your current and next month in a month-to-view format, along with an editable calendar in the main window with options to view as month-to-view, week-to-view, and day-to-view. The first step here is to create a calendar. Click the Calendar Management button in the left navigation column. A window will open and you can manage all of your available calendars. Click Add for any additional calendars, or click the relevant tick box and select Delete to remove. Once calendars are created, we can add appointments by clicking New Appointment. This will open a window where you can define subject, start time, end time, which calendar you are adding to, whether it is a recurring event or an all-day event. To save the changes, click Save. To cancel the changes, click Cancel. As soon as an appointment is added, it is visible in the main window, providing the calendar is checked in the section My Calendar. The event is now editable in the main calendar window, simply by clicking on the event, and a similar window to the creation window will appear. Contacts. This is your quick reference location for your eHub contacts list. You can quickly reference different contacts by grouping via company, city, or simply searching the phone list. Using the buttons at the top of the main screen, you can create new group or contact. This will open a new window with familiar fields to complete to create your contact. Once completed, either Save and Close, Save in New, Delete or Close must be selected to return to the main contacts window. To ensure eHub is efficient and quickly adoptable, you can import a CSV file from your existing mail client to get you started with your contact list. Existing contacts can be opened and edited and searched on using the search box and magnifying glass tool. Notes. Here you can keep an archive of notes attached to your account. These notes are easily referenced and can be sorted by a simple list or grouped via category. To change these views, simply click the option from the list in the left navigation column. To start creating a new note, click the New Note button in the header of the main window. A box will appear for the new note with a field for the subject and description of the note. When finished, either save and close, save in new, delete, or close. Once the note has been saved, it will appear in the list format in the main window, and then you can edit, delete, search, or create another note using the buttons at the top of the main window. Existing contacts can be opened and edited and searched on using the search box and magnifying glass. With the integrated eHub connector handling third-party applications, eHub provides a complete messaging solution for any aviation industry business. With no hardware or software license fees required, and free local traffic routing, eHub brings significant cost reductions across all areas of your organization. Whether a single or multi-user, eHub is a valuable tool which provides simple user management at varying levels and divisions, offering the ability to meet the needs of the most diverse industry organizations. For more information on Enterprise Hub or any of our products and services, please contact ARINC today.